Hi everyone, Shira is here and welcome back to my channel. So guys, today video I'm doing makeup tutorial inspired by Ariana Grande. As a primer, I'm using in Smashback Primer Haul. You know this is my favorite primer ever because it just not feel too heavy on my face. I really recommend you guys to buy it. So I'm just trying to rub it on my face with my hands and then let it absorb by the skin quickly. So for the foundation, I'm mixing two kind of foundations. One of them is NARS and one of them is Estee Lauder. The reason I just want to make some medium color that really match for my skin. I'm usually doing it just for nighttime and not for daytime because then it feels too heavy for daytime.